The Galapagos Islands are known worldwide as a top destination for scuba diving. Here, you can see a wide variety of marine animals and clear ocean water. The Galapagos offers a range of dive types, including open water dives for beginners and drift dives for experienced divers. Divers can explore volcanic rock formations and observe schools of fish in their natural habitat. Night dives, cave dives, and wreck dives are also available, each offering unique underwater experiences. Cave dives allow divers to see underwater caves and the marine life that lives inside them. Wreck dives feature sunken ships that have become artificial reefs, attracting a variety of sea creatures. Each dive in the Galapagos provides a different perspective on the region's unique underwater world. Before every dive, review your equipment with your instructor and confirm your safety checks. Certified professionals will guide you through each step, ensuring you understand all procedures. Ask questions if you are unsure, and always follow your training for a safe and enjoyable dive. Remember to check your air supply often and stay close to your dive buddy at all times. The Galapagos Islands are home to unique marine animals. Here, you can observe a Galapagos sea lion swimming underwater. Hammerhead sharks are often seen in these waters. Manta rays can also be found gliding through the ocean. Whale sharks, the largest fish in the sea, are sometimes spotted by divers. Want to see how we made this video? Visit www.gearelevated.com for more details. Explore our behind-the-scenes process and the equipment we use. Find all the information you need at www.gearelevated.com.